Yahoo! Prof here, and we got another Pokemon Pulse for you tonight. As you can see, it's the weekend. I've taken a day off, so that means I do fucking nothing. Feels great sometimes. But we got some more stuff that came in, I believe from Walmart this time, so let's take a look at what you'll be seeing in future videos before we get to the polls. So we got one bigger box, and we've got one smaller box. Another heads up, I'm going to try to keep these a bit shorter. Like if I do 2 tins, they'll probably be separate ones. Because I've been realizing that some of these videos have been getting pretty darn long, which means not a lot of people watch all of them. Especially because I don't have, time lapses or wacky tunes or, So we're going to try and keep them short and sweet. So, first up, here we have Lycanroc. I thought I don't have this deck yet, which is good because sometimes we get duplicates here. But Lycanroc, it's Sun and Moon Burning Shadows GX challenge box, which is actually Lycanroc GX. So could get a Ninetales GX or a Lycanroc GX. So, and this was the Lycanroc one. This will be coming in a future vid. Next up, we have one that I was super happy to find. You just gotta keep an eye out on Walmart, guys, and they do get stuff in kind of randomly. It's not always newer stuff necessarily either, because there's an XY Evolutions in there. Like, I don't know how they get their stock or that sort of stuff, but a Porygon Z GX box. Always nice to get big old GX cards. And I'm super happy when there's an XY Evolutions in there. I don't know which one this is. Let me know. Right there. I don't think I've opened that pack before. There you go. So that'll be interesting. Away that box goes. And in our smaller box here, we have a tin, which is the Rillaboom tin. This is the one that I was missing. I now have all 3 of these guys. Be Rillaboom, Cinderace, and Inteleon. So, we're resumed. And then a Surf-Etched deck. And I think today, via Amazon, I just got the Surf-Etched GX box. Doesn't have the deck though in it. And this deck's very odd. Look, it has like it's been shrink wrapped all the way around it. Maybe that's to protect it better? Because like I've had the bottoms fall out of these in shipping. I've actually sent some of those back to Amazon because they don't put any packaging in the boxes, so it's just bang, 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 because it's too big of a box. So we'll add all of these to those guys will eventually get sorted over here. And today, what we'll be opening, and I say day because I'm doing this a bit earlier here. What we'll be doing is, we were supposed to finish up yesterday, but I went and played Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War, which was heckin' fun with Squares. And you guys got a drunk Pokemon Pulse. We're gonna open up the Eevee tin. And this guy that I keep calling the Skeleton Scorpion Dragon thing, which is Eternus. Eternatus? Something like that. We'll open the last one. Eevee first. Alright, well, let's get cracking. We'll have Eevee in this video, and then coming up we'll have Eternatus.